What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the V2 Lab vlog, and today I am wiring up this Fueltech. It's not really a today thing because it's been like a week. I've been trying to go at this thing for a while. It's actually taken me 3 days just to decide on how to loom the thing because looming is insane, and I don't know why anyone would do this for a living, but it's just ridiculous. You do little by little, and then if you forget, you gotta like go back and redo the whole wire. It's super stupid. But if it looks good when it's done, that's all that matters, right? So I'm trying to wire tuck everything little by little by little, going into the intake manifold and around it, doing all this stuff, and then trying to factor in the part where if I disconnect something, the wires aren't tangled around the intake manifold and I gotta cut stuff. It's just like a big headache. I don't know. I'm just trying to make it really nice. But yeah, I got my Fueltech. It took forever to get here. I ordered it around Black Friday. I just got it like a week ago or like 3-4 days ago. So this is the entire engine management right here. This little guy. It's not even out of the bag yet. And I bought the wideband, which is this guy, the little nano wideband. I think it's kind of ugly. I don't really like this thing, but it's supposed to work really well with the ECU, so I bought it. I was like, all right, this is what it's going to be. The easiest thing I can possibly do is what I'm going to do. So I just been wiring it up. I just busted out the harness, and I've been going at it. First thing I labeled everything. And then I kind of been just digging through at this intake manifold. I did all of these looms on the intake manifold from the injectors. Under. Everything's nice and neat. And then this is what the backside looks like. Everything's labeled. Obviously, that's why all the numbers are there for. So this is kind of a DIY like fuel management system because nothing's included in anything. Like you buy the engine management, but the wiring harness doesn't come with it. You buy the wideband, the wiring harness doesn't come with it, which is kind of crazy because, like, how else would you wire this? But, yeah, I think I'm just really complaining about wiring because it's kind of been kicking my butt. But, yeah, let me get back to this. All right, so I quickly just wired up. It's not really quickly. I've probably been at this for like 2 hours again. But I quickly wired up. Cylinder 1 and 6, 3 and 4, 5 and 2, 3 and 4. In order, of course, it'll go to the injectors. So basically what's happening is because there's limited amounts of outputs on the ECU, I'm running 3 outputs for the injectors instead of 6. That way, one wire will go to 1 and 6, one wire will go to 5 and 2, one wire will go to 3 and 4, in that order. And basically, that allows for it to fire because the cylinders come up at the same time, or the pistons come up at the same time. It's like boom, boom, boom. Whatever, magic. And yeah, it just basically causes it to, you know, save some space, save some wires, make it a little nicer. Hopefully you aren't taking this as like biblical referencing for your wiring up of your engine management, but if it works, it works. If it doesn't, at least you got to watch like 6 or 7 episodes of me failing in vlog. But yeah, so I'm trying to vlog 3 times a week. I've probably already failed this week, but yeah, that's gonna be it. I am going to do this year, and if I don't do it this year and I don't get to like a bazillion subscribers and make a bunch of money from this, I'm gonna quit. So subscribe if you care. Bye. Stupid ass fucking wire. You know when people are like, there's my blood, sweat, and tears. Bitch, this is the fuck it is.